Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams on the guitar. First, let's identify the song's key, which is G major. The verse primarily uses 4 open chords, G, D, M, and C. Begin by practicing each chord individually, ensuring clear notes. Then, focus on smooth transitions between G to D, D to M to C, and back to G. This foundational practice is crucial for building muscle memory. Now, let's tackle the iconic strumming pattern. It's a consistent down, up motion. The first downstroke is often accented. Practice this pattern slowly with each chord, ensuring a steady rhythm. A metronome set to around 120 beats per minute can greatly help in maintaining a consistent tempo. This rhythmic foundation is key to capturing the song's feel. Moving to the chorus, the chord progression shifts slightly, often emphasizing the C and G chords more prominently. The bridge introduces a new set of chords, typically M and D, creating a dynamic change. Practice these sections separately, paying close attention to the transitions and the overall feel. Notice how the song builds and releases tension through these different parts. To elevate your playing, consider adding subtle embellishments like hammer-ons and pull-offs, especially on the G and D chords. Experiment with different chord voicings to find what sounds best to your ear. Consistent practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes each day, will significantly improve your technique and confidence. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this musical journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.